So apparently I've been doing my lashes all wrong, and you could be too. Last week I got the chance to visit Lashify's Melrose location and got a one-on-one appointment with their lash expert to not only do a lash mat fitting, but get an official tutorial on how to make these babies last up to 7 to 10 days. Step 1. Swipe a light layer of bond on lashes. Let dry. Step 2. Go back and apply bond only to roots area. Let dry as well. Step 3. Once you have your lash mat figured out, apply bond to the band of the lash and let it set. Before step 4, apply from outer to inner corner and make sure to lift away from waterline for the best comfort. Step 5, seal at the band roots for the lashes. And you're done. This set here I actually did myself, and it's 5 days old and it's not going anywhere. A special shout out to Logan, Brandy, and the Lashify Melrose team. They are honestly the sweetest team. So don't hesitate to head on over there, and thank you Lashify for making it so easy for us ladies.